how to change your Gmail signature in Gmail. So let's open up Gmail. So open up your Gmail, go to your Gmail, and then click on this settings gear on your Gmail, and then click on see all settings. Go to your see all settings. So once you're on your settings here, scroll down and you will see the signature option here. So scroll down until you see the signature. So there you go. So that's the signature here. So this is my current signature. If I want to delete it, I can simply tap on the bin icon here to delete it, and then I can simply create one to change it. So click on create one, and I'm going to use this as my default. So I can just give a name. That's my default one. Okay, so this is my default one, and here you can type in whatever signature you want to. So you can just type in the content, whatever that is, you can type in. Once you have typed in that, and here you can select whether you want to use this template. I want to, for new emails, I want to use this default template, and also on reply and forward you can also select which one you want to choose. So I'm going to select the default, which is the one that I just created. Okay, so once you have set all these up, all you have to do now is scroll down and click on save changes. Click on the save changes to save these changes, and that's it. Your email signature has now been changed. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.